Marrakech is the fourth largest city in the Kingdom of Morocco. Since the founding of the city, as a tradition, all buildings have a red or ochre color, sometimes ranging to a salmon color. Amongst others, there is Le Mamounia and its enchanting gardens, the luxurious Royal Mansour Hammam and the refined cuisines. You'll see the walls that encircle the old city rise around 20 feet high with around 200 towers. Marrakech is also known as the City of Luxury, thanks to its famous palaces, five-star restaurants, luxury spas and hammams. Marrakech is an interesting mix of historical sites and modern buildings. Best places to visit in Marrakech. Bahia Palace. Built in the late 19th century as the private residence of Grand Vizier Beau Ahmed, it is one of the top places to visit in Marrakech. It is a stunning piece of art and architecture, and both the marvelous exterior and interior look beautiful. Jardin majorelle. Jardin majorelle was created by eminent artist Jardin Majorelle. This luxuriant garden was built over a long period of 40 years. Adorned by over 300 species of exotic flora, Jardin Majorelle is a rejuvenating respite within the city. Medina and souks. Medina, or the Old Town, and souks, or traditional bazaars, are the icons of Marrakech, and you just have to visit them. Medina, or the Old City, is a picturesque collage of narrow lanes, huge walls, and gates. Ouzoud Falls. Ouzoud Falls is the collective name for several beautiful waterfalls that empty into the El Abid River's gorge. Djemaa el-Fna. Djemaa el-Fna is the largest public square at the entrance of Medina in Marrakech. It is always buzzing till late night with food vendors selling local delicacies, many tattoo artists and street musicians. Saadian tombs. This is an age-old burial ground of 66 members of Saadian dynasty, who reigned over Marrakech between 1524 to 1668. The eminent King al-Mansur, his successors and close-knit family members were laid to rest here. Marrakesh tanneries. If you're looking for good leather hides, for bags, shoes or belts, then Marrakech is the ideal place to visit as it has tanneries. You can come here to capture the beauty of these artists who spend days and nights working at leather workshops. Now that we've uncovered Marrakech, it's time to visit our other amazing destinations from the link on your left. See you next time.